Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself wondering how to download images, logos, or icons straight from a Figma design template, today's tutorial is going to make your life a whole lot easier. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to grab those design assets you need, quickly, cleanly, and in the right file format, so you can use them wherever you like, whether it's for a website, a presentation, or even a social media post. Alright, let's jump right in. So once you're in your Figma dashboard, go ahead and navigate to the template that you want to work with. You'll probably see a selection of projects or files listed, so take a moment here to locate the one that has the images, logos, or icons you're after. For today's example, let's imagine you're specifically hunting for a logo. Head over to the Search or Tools section on Figma. This is usually at the top or side of your dashboard, depending on your layout. Type in logos to filter out all the unrelated stuff, and you'll see a list of available logo templates pop right up. Click on the logo template you want to use. This will open it up in your main workspace. Now comes the fun part, selecting the exact element you want. Whether it's a logo, an icon, or a specific image, simply click right on it. You'll know you've selected it when you see those classic bounding boxes or highlight lines around your selection. If you're dealing with a group of icons, just pick the one you need. If ever you click on the wrong one, don't worry, just click again or use the undo shortcut to fix it. With your element selected, look over at the right-hand side of your Figma workspace. You'll spot a series of panels with design details. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Export. This might be collapsed by default, so if you don't immediately see it, just click on the little arrow to expand it. This panel is where the magic happens. It's how you control what kind of file you'll create. Inside the Export section, you can choose which file type you want for your download. Usually you'll see options like PNG, JPG, SVG, or even PDF, depending on your needs. If you're downloading a logo for web use, PNG is a solid choice because it supports transparency. If you plan to use the icon in a scalable format for vectors or printing, SVG might be better. Just click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred format. Don't stress if you're unsure, Figma won't let you pick a wrong option, and you can always export in multiple formats if needed. Finally, with everything set up the way you like, click the Export button. You might need to wait a second or two, especially if the image is large or has lots of layers. And that's it, the file will download to your computer, ready to be dropped right into your project. If something doesn't look quite right, double-check that you selected just the part of the design you meant to. Sometimes a quick zoom-in can help clarify. And remember, exporting from Figma is non-destructive, so you can always go back, pick another format, or try again if you need to. That's all there is to it. I hope this helps you make the most out of your Figma templates and gets you one step closer to finishing your project. If you learned something new today, please hit the like button, drop any questions or tips down in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.